Hi, and welcome to demo video number 4 for my honors project for my dental appointment system. So in this video, we'll be demoing how to install and set up Selenium for doing Selenium testing. So the first thing you'll want to check, well, first you need to install Firefox. I happen to already have a Firefox installed. And then run Firefox -- version to learn what Firefox version you have. Then you'll want to go to this website here, firefoxsourcedocs.mozilla.org/testing/geckodriver/support.html, and scroll down to the supported platforms table here. So this will tell you which version of GeckoDriver you need to get for which version of Firefox. So if your Firefox is an older one, you might need an older version of GeckoDriver. So in my case, I'm on 772. So the minimum you need for this version is 60, and there presently is no maximum. And you'll need a Selenium version greater than or equal to 3.11 or 3.14 in Python. So I think this 3.11 refers to the Java version and 3.14 refers to the Python version of Selenium. So we'll be installing the latest version of Selenium, and the latest version of GeckoDriver will work for my version of Firefox. So then you should head over to github.com/mozilla/GeckoDriver releases and find the release that you want to download that works with your version of Firefox. And then, in our case, since we're on Linux, we'll want to grab this file here. So I'll just copy the link location, and I will use wget to download the file. So we download the file. We can extract the file with this command here. So we can see we now have the GeckoDriver executable, but we need it to be in our path. So we can move this file to user local bin, and we can remove the tar file. And now if we run which GeckoDriver, we can see we have access to it from our path now that it's in this system directory. And then we can run this to check that we can run the commands and that we have the version showing up correctly. So what the GeckoDriver binary does is it's Selenium talks to this driver, and the driver talks to Firefox to run all of that automation. So we will also install Flake 8. This is a linter for Python. Oh, I don't even have pip installed yet. I'll be back in a moment. So to install pip, first you download getpip.py from this URL using curl like this. Then run python 3 getpip.py -- user, so that will install it. If you get something like this, then you'll need to check the version of your Python. And then you'll run this command. So if you see this problem with distutils.util, I got my version Python 3.6. Then you make this Python 3.x match that version there, distutils, and then we'll hit yes. Okay, so now I should have distutils installed, and I can retry this command here. Okay, so pip is now installed, we should upgrade pip. I think this is it. Upgrade or update. How about let's check the help quickly. Maybe it's just install. Alright, we don't need to upgrade because we already got the latest version, because we downloaded it directly from the internet, so that's fine. Okay, so now that we have pip, we can install Flake 8. Okay. And we need to also install this. So this will install Robot Framework, and it will also install Selenium and the Robot Framework Selenium library. So since I can install just one thing, it'll automatically install all of its dependencies along the way. So I can just do a single pip install command to get all of that. So as we can see, it installed Selenium library, installed Robot Framework itself, and it installed Selenium, and this is the 3.14 or higher. I'm not sure, but anyway. So it's given us a bunch of warnings that this is not in my path. So I will edit. Oh, I don't have it installed. So I'll install Vim quickly. So I'm going to open a new terminal here. Go to the bottom, and I'll set the path to the path followed by the usual local bin. So I'll source my bashrc to get that update. I will check my path contains, yep, my path contains usual local bin, and if I look for Flake 8, I can find Flake 8. So everything is set up now. So I've installed Gecko driver, I've installed Flake 8, and I've installed Selenium and the Robot Selenium library. So that is all the setup you need to do. And then in the next couple of videos, I'll be showing how to run robot tests and cucumber tests that involve Selenium. Thanks. Bye.